the Virtual Worlds Education Consortium is focused on giving educators ideas and support to enhance learning through virtual worlds. Wondering what you can do in a virtual world? The examples you see here are using the virtual world's Second Life. However, all of these ideas can be translated to a variety of virtual worlds, from Minecraft to Mozilla Hubs, and now even virtual reality environments. Wondering what you can do in virtual worlds as an educator? As an easy entry, you can use virtual worlds for office hours. Virtual worlds provide a different and unique environment as well as a remote way to learn. Many virtual worlds allow for interactive tools to help guide instruction. This can be used for one or many students. Similar to office hours, teachers can have one-to-one tutoring sessions. This provides not only a different environment, but may provide simulation and demonstration possibilities. Review sessions can also be valuable since students can interact with voice and text to engage two learning modalities, and then virtual demonstration and interaction, adding more learning modalities. Teacher lecture, while not reinventing educational best practices, can have effective uses, especially when changing the visual environment for a teacher. For example, hearing a lecture about ancient Greece could certainly be much more engaging when surrounded by Greek architecture. Learning about marine mammals within a virtual fish tank could also have that effect. Just changing the environment can also have benefits. When learning a new language, it's essential to interact with native language speakers, not only for just language, but for cultural understandings and regional accents. Virtual worlds can give you access to people all over the world. Many artists are now using digital formats to express their creative works. Virtual worlds allows for both creation, display, and purchasing of their works. Role-play scenarios can be highly effective at immersing a student in real-world scenarios. Debates, medical emergency situations, and historical recreations are just a few examples. Models allow students to explore 3D structures and models in a whole new way by providing personalized exploration. This can be used in medical programs as well as general biology, anatomy, and physiology classes. Display information can be dynamic and creative in a virtual environment, and not constrained by the costs that come with real-world displays. Similarly, poster sessions allow students to share ideas in an informal and creative way that lends itself to chatting and content. Student-created designs allow for collaboration and three-dimensional creation and interaction. Virtual field trips and tours can also provide beneficial perspective and design. Many students in the U.S. will probably not get to see the expanse of the Sistine Chapel or a medieval castle, but virtual worlds can provide this visual experience similar to that and can be more immersive than a real-life museum. There are so many possibilities for immersive learning in virtual worlds. While they are not going to replace many tried and true face-to-face educational possibilities, they offer a tremendous way to enhance traditional instruction. Interested in giving it a try? Please connect with the Virtual Worlds Education Consortium to learn more.